Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Click to Data Insight YouTube channel. Do you use Google Ads to drive new leads and customers to your business? If yes, then setting up Google Call extension for your text ads is a simple and effective way to support your new customer acquisition. It encourages people to call your business by showing a phone number with your existing ads, so that people can click on the phone number in your ad right in the search result page without navigating to your website. This makes it easier for customers to get in touch with your business, which leads to a higher click-through rate. You can also set up a conversion tracking for these phone calls and measure its effectiveness in your Google Ads account. Research shows that 70% of the mobile searchers use click to call feature, and 47% of the searchers say that if a business doesn't have a phone number in search results, they are likely to explore other brands. So if phone calls are important to your business, it would be wise to use a call extension with your existing ads. So today I'll be explaining how to set up and track Google Ads call extension for your Google Ads search campaign. So let's get started. To create a new call extension, you can go to Ads and Extension, click on the extension, click plus sign and select the call extension. Here you can add this call extension at the account level, campaign level or ad group level. If you create a call extension at different levels, the most specific one will be used. So for example, if you create a call extension at the ad group level, those extension shows instead of your campaign level or the account level call extensions, and similarly campaign level extension override your account level extension. Correct. Here you can select create new to make a new call extension, or use existing one if you have previously created your call extension. So we'll select the create new, and next is you can choose the country for the number, and you can enter your phone number over here. So I'll keep the same United States and enter the number when you want to drive your call extension phones. This is for an example. Next is a call reporting. See, this is very important. Currently, a call reporting feature is turned off, but I would recommend that you should keep this call reporting feature turned on. Why? Because if call reporting is turned on, Google Ads will show a custom forwarding number in place of your original number. In turn, you will be able to see a more detailed data on call performance, like a call start and end date and time, call status, whether it's a missed call or whether this call has been received, call duration, caller area code, campaign ad group, and call type, like whether it's a manually dial or it's a mobile click to call. And also you can able to track calls as a conversions. But if you keep this call reporting features turned off, then you will not be able to track these details. So to turn on this call reporting feature, click over here, keep the selecting call reporting on and click save. Correct. You can set this call reporting feature turn on or off by going to campaign account settings, then call reporting. Here you can turn on or off your call reporting feature. You can also save a call recording for 30 days, but for that you must have a US based phone number. Okay. Next is the conversion action. If you like to track calls as a conversion, you can choose to use a default call conversion that Google Ads sets up, that is calls from ads. Or you can set up your own conversion, like I have created my own conversions, like call lead 1 or mobile call lead 1, phone call lead. You can customize this to include calls those lasted only for certain duration, and you want to measure those calls only as a conversions, so that you can create your own custom conversion action over here. And I'll show you how to set up this phone call conversions in a bit time, but here I want to draw your attention that if you use an auto bidding strategy, then that automating strategy will take this account of this call conversion action while bidding for your ad. So it may affect your bids also. Okay. Next, under the advanced option, if you prefer to show your number for mobile users, then you can check the device preference box next to mobile. Google Ads will be more likely to show a number with the mobile ads, but it's not guaranteed that to exclude number completely from your desktop or tablet. Next is under the extension scheduling. Yes, here you can keep your start date and end date for your ads and schedule for your ads to show. This feature can be helpful. For example, you may have a limited time promotion for which you want your users to call in, but you don't normally show a number. So at that time you can just keep the start and end date of your promotion time duration, correct, and your call extension will be shown during that time only. Next is days and hours. You can set up a recurring schedule for your number to show within a set time frames each week. This feature is helpful when you prefer to limit phone calls to your business hours, ensuring that the customer only call when a person is available to answer. Correct. You don't want to go any call to unanswered. So let's say I want to keep I want to draw my phone calls from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I just select over here 8 a.m. to, say for example, 6 p.m. Okay, so my call extension will be shown along with my ad during this time period only. Correct. Next, you can save and your extension will be live, will be active. Correct. Now you have set up your call extension, correct, but it's what to set up a tracking system so you know exactly what impact your Google call extension is having. So to create a your call conversion action, you can go to tools, go to conversion, select this plus sign, select the phone calls. Here you can select which kind of calls that you want to track. Say for example, we want to track the calls from the call extension, so we'll select the first option. If anyone wants to track the calls from the website, then they can select the second option, that is calls to your phone number on your website. Correct. So we'll select the first one, then click continue. Now our category of the leads, that is a phone call lead, give the appropriate name of our conversion action, that is, say for example, mobile call leads due. Next is the value. Say for example, you have if you have calculated that how much worth that your each call conversion is, so you can enter that value over here. Say for example, my each call conversion is worth to 50 rupees for me, so I'll enter the 50. Then under the count, you can if you like to avoid the counting a duplicate calls, then you can choose the one conversion under the count. So definitely we want to count only a single call as a first call interaction is as a conversion, so we select the one. Next is call length. Here if you want to count only those calls that go over a certain length of time, then you can enter the number of seconds over here. Say for example, you have figured out that from your historical data or the past experience that calls those lasted 2 minutes or more are more likely to lead to a business, then you can enter a 120 seconds, which means that calls that lasted at least 120 seconds or more can be counted as a conversion. Those lasted less than 120 seconds will not be counted as a conversion. Correct. Next is a conversion window. You can keep the conversion window time based on how long your customer is taking from first interaction to the conversion. Say for example, my customer is seeing my ad now, and I are converting or making a call or within a 30 days of time. So I'll keep the conversion window as 30 days, but you can keep based on your business 45 days, 60 days, or you can enter any custom conversion window days also, including conversion. By selecting this, you can include this conversion in your conversion columns, right? You can also uh, include this conversion into the conversion action sets. I have created a detailed video on how to take a optimizer step further with Google Ads conversion action set. You can learn more about conversion action set in this video. You can find its link in description below. Next, attribution model. You can select attribution model based on the visitor model. Say for example, I want to select the time decay model. If you have any doubt that which attribution model is appropriate for you, or then I have created a video on this also. You can find its link in description below. Then you can select click and continue, then done, and your conversion action has been created. Now we can select this conversion action into our call extension conversion action. So this is the conversion that call conversion that we have created under the call conversion. So this is the conversion our custom conversion action is now available for the selection. Yeah, correct. So select that conversion action and then click save. Correct. Now you have created your call extension. You have created your conversion action and applied that conversion action to your call extension. Correct. But how you can measure its your Google call extension performance? For that, you can go to your campaign, then add group, click on the segment conversion and the conversion action. Here you can see a data like conversions, cost per conversions, conversion rate, and other data specific to your call conversion action. And you can measure and analyze that how often do calls lead to a valuable conversion action, such as booking an appointment or leads or orders. Correct. And based on this analysis, you will be able to take a decision whether you want to increase the bid or decrease the bid for this call interaction type. Correct. You can get more data by going to columns, modify columns, call details, and total phone calls, phone impressions, and phone through rate. So if driving calls to your business is one of the goals to your campaign, then setting up and tracking Google call extension is an easy way to boost click-through rates. But it's very important to track your call extension so you can measure the impact they are having on your ad campaigns. That's it from me, guys. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.